Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. I just wanted to show you, I've talked about my HP SmartTank printer 7001. That's the number of the printer. I've had this printer since November of 2022. I started using it on December 1st of 22, and it's now February 13th of 2024, and my yellow ink has just run out. Now these are little windows on the front where you can see how much ink you have left. Let's see them on camera there. There we go. These are the little windows. These are the colors. The black is on the other end here. I don't think you could see it on there, but the yellow is empty. There's no ink in it. The red I could see, there's quite a bit in there yet. Blue also looks like there's quite a bit in there. No, it's down to here. However, red looks like it's up to here. My black is only halfway, and that is it, over a year and 2 months of printing. Now I do a lot of printing. I print all my papers, all my decorative papers for my junk journals, all my planner pages. I print a lot, so I'm very happy with it. I've gotten a lot of printing out of it so far. Prints well, so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to refill my yellow ink. I have this is the bottle I've gotten. It is not an HP brand. I'm going to try it. I got this from Amazon. 4 bottles were, I think, $24. So compared to what we were paying for cartridges, that's quite a bargain. I mean, I was constantly refilling cartridges. I mean, that was cheap, but it was a pain in the butt because there was hardly any ink in those cartridges. Well, this way, you put a lot of ink in and it lasts. Okay, I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, this is the bottle. It has a screw cap. I screwed it off. I removed the little seal. Take it off completely. Put the cap back on it tightly. Let me get it straight. I'm trying to stay in camera and see what I'm doing at the same time. Okay, there we go. I'm screwing on the top. Make sure it's tight. Test it over something in case it leaks. Now you flip up this little cap. Which way to flip? Here it is. Now this is going to go right into the hole of the printer, the tank. Now let's see if I could do this so you could see it. Move it in a little bit. I'm opening up the scanner top. Ouch. I forgot how to open the lid. There we go. The scanner and the lid. Ooh, rather squeaky. Don't like that sound. Ooh. There's a little cap on the tank. The 3 colors are in here. You can see that? Yeah. Moving a little bit closer. I don't want to spill the ink. Okay, can you see the tanks there? So I've opened this whole lid, lifts up. I'm going to open up the lid on the yellow. You press the little button, lift it up. Then you take the bottle like this, place it over the hole, the opening, give it a little twist, and it starts to drain. Now we can see the little screen, the yellow is filling up. Get you back in where you can see. Can you see it filling up? A little more than halfway. The bottle is emptying, I can hear it. Just a little gurgle. And it's just about full. I'm going to try taking it off. Somehow, here we go. I'm afraid of overfilling. There's quite a bit of ink in here. Still some left. I'm going to close the lid tightly. Let's save that. No spill nowhere, no ink on the inside. Looking good. This is the first time I refilled, so bear with me. Close up the top tightly on the yellow. Close up this cap, this cover, and that's the only one I'm refilling right now. Whoa, close this up. That I don't like. Now I'm going to turn it on. Let it do its thing. And then I'll print something so you can see. Takes a few minutes. You see the light blinking on this end? Let me turn you over here. You have to wait till the light stops blinking, and then it will set itself up. So it should automatically prime the yellow color line when it's finished. I'm hearing some sounds. Doing its thing. Then my Wi-Fi button is blinking. I'm going to wait till that's set up. And that should be it. Let's see what else is going on there. Nothing. The screen is reading as it should. Wi-Fi is connected. I think this is a paper indicator. There's paper in here. Now I'm going to get something to print. We'll see how it prints with this ink in there. Okay, that's up at the top. Hang on, almost there. Okay, here we go. Which one do I want? Coffee dyed paper 2. We'll do this one. Portrait. Okay, loading into my program. Program's loading. Alright, now I'm going to go to print. File. Print. 1 second. Loading up. Print exact size. Now I'm going to hit print. I already have it set for, my default is for borderless and other matte inkjet paper. So let's see how it does. It's setting up. And I'm hearing something. Let's see what you can see. Printing. Now if I wanted to cancel my print, this little red X is what I would press. That's to cancel. It prints quite fast. I have it on best quality, so it prints a little bit slower. Hang on, it's coming. I'm very happy with this printer. Prints photos very well. Prints all of my background papers very clearly. Colors are crisp and clear. And this is the first time I've had to refill anything. So I think next will be my blue. It's got about 1/4 of a tank left there. And then the red. Black has a 1/2 a tank. So I'm good on that. According to the box and the site, the HP.com site, normally you get 2 years worth of ink out of these bottles. It comes with the 4 bottles when you buy it originally. And they say it prints for up to 2 years, which it would, except that I do a lot of printing, excessively print. I print papers all the time. I print a lot of photos. My yellow looks like it's coming out just fine, giving me that coffee dyed color. Can you see it? Yes. I'm very happy with this. The scanner works well. It has a large scanning bed for larger papers, which I like. I have no complaints so far. So I got 1 year and 2 months worth of ink out of the original bottles that came with it. This is my first refill that I purchased. It was 4 bottles for about $24.99, which is a great deal. That was on Amazon. Okay, here it is. Yellow worked very well. I don't know how much color you can catch on the camera, but it looks like my normal coffee dyed paper. Okay, I just wanted to show you that before we move on. And I'll be back in a little bit. Thanks.